Right, Razor Repair Zone. It's minus 27 out here. I have to put some oil in my little Isuzu. This is Quaker State 1030 oil. I'm just going to show you how thick the sucker is when it's this cold out. Since a lot of you watching videos, there it comes like molasses. Look at that. It doesn't even look like oil, does it? A lot of people in the States don't experience this kind of weather. I should actually be using 530 right now. But yeah, that's what kind of oil, or what the oil looks like when it's just cold. So I don't know. Usually it's kind of clear, you can see through the oil, but look at that, how it just... Hear my dog running around too, playing with his stick. It's kind of cold out here, so he's got to do something. I'll do it again. I'll need a little bit more here. Then you wonder why your check engine light or your oil light comes on for a while when it's this cold. But you know, this little truck is minus 34 and I didn't have it plugged in at all. And it started. Wonder what the oil was like then. Look at that, just like STP. All right, that's just